If you break a needle while sewing, there is a chance that the broken part will fall into the needle hole. Many people think that when you break a needle, the broken piece will float and eventually be caught by the magnet in the oil reservoir. But as you can see, the needle is sinking. This is a myth that I see everywhere online. There is a seal around the reservoir that should keep any dust or parts from getting inside. So if you break a needle, it will fall in the leftmost compartment right below the bobbin. The purpose of the magnet inside the reservoir is to catch all small metallic particles that float in the oil from the normal use of the machine. You need to take it out and wipe it off from time to time.